5 iPhone useful tricks. Number 1. The website you frequently visit, go to that website. You can see share option, scroll down. You can add it to home screen. Now you can go in one tap. Number 2. To go to the top position, you can simply tap on the time. It will bring you to the top. It works in every app. Number 3. You can type to Siri. If you're in a situation cannot talk, search type to Siri and enable it. Number 4. You can tell Siri to download app for you. It will automatically search their app on App Store for you. You just have to confirm the download. Number 5. You scan QR from your camera app. Just open camera. It will automatically scan the QR for you. Please subscribe for more.